Here we go, guys. The gates have opened and let the Wicker Man begin. I'm going to try and sneak my way in here and try and record it.
Fill any available space, please.
Availability. There we go, guys. That is literally the inside of the place. What it looks like. And it is huge.
Are we just staying here?
It is literally huge, guys. So a moment is going to black out and the show is about to begin. Bring on the flames, as I may say. Here we go, guys. Let's begin.
Welcome, chosen few. We have beyond. For hundreds of years, our family has lived in these woods, led by the spirit of the Wicker Man. The elders told us of a day when he would rise to give us freedom and eternal well-being. But to start that ritual, we must present him with a gift. And that gift is you. You and the flames. It is time. He is here. What an honor to see yourself bound in wicker, encased in his soul. And you see yourself in him. The time has come for the Wicker Man to rise. Together, we shall feed the flame. Let the ceremony commence.
And there we go, guys. That is the intro to Wicker Man. One of the best intros that you're going to find in the UK.